One of the benefits of maintenance breaks is to help your metabolism, correct? You want to let your body know it's not starving. Well, I was thinking about how I usually use my calories in a normal week and I eat more during the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and then I do during the week. Even at maintenance, will this type of eating negatively affect my metabolism? Will my body keep thinking I am dieting? So the answer is your body is not a machine, okay? So your body is not keeping tabs day in and day out of, oh, she's in a deficit today. She's in a surplus. She's in a deficit. Your body it really works more on like averages. It really does. Like when we're talking about average weight loss, average calories, I typically have most of my new clients do 2 weeks of eating at maintenance and checking their body weight daily. And from that 14 days of data, we pull some averages. Okay. And I try to get them as close to their maintenance calories as possible. The reason we do this is because we want to see if they can keep their weight stable. So whether you are eating at maintenance every single day or whether you are doing some low days, some high days, take all the data for a month and average it together. And let's just say you think your maintenance calories are 2000 and you average them out for an entire month, high days, low days, everything. And it comes out to 2000. Your body generally knows because every day your energy needs are not locked in stone. Some days you need more food. Some days you need less. Your metabolism naturally does that anyway. If you were truly like out in the wilderness and just listening to hunger signals and all that, you would eat differently day to day. You wouldn't eat the same, and you would eat differently depending on available food, right? So you're not gonna have to be locked into eating 2,000 calories every single day. It's the average of your weeks, it's the average of your month, and then the general trend of that body weight over time. So if you notice every month you're averaging 2,200 and every month it's just inching up a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, then you know you're overshooting your maintenance calories and you might want to drop the weekly average down, which might mean taking a little bit off your high days or taking a little bit off your low days or maybe creating a couple more low days than what you had before. So you have variability with this. Metabolism is ever fluctuating, ever changing. It's not like, "Oh my gosh, she ate low one day, so now we're starved to death." It's not like that. It's if you're constantly in a state of eating nothing but 1,200 calories a day or 800 calories a day or whatever the really crazy low amount of food is, and then after that period of time goes by, weeks and weeks, months and months of doing it, yes, your body is not in a good position. Your metabolism has come way down, and now you need to slowly bring it back up. What you're doing is totally fine because it sounds like what you're doing is going after maintenance calories. You're just doing it based on what your life situation flows best into it, which is some low days and some high days. So I would not stress at all about that. I would just be focusing on enjoying your food and trying to hit those averages.